This is the burial chamber at Wideford. Wideford itself is a landscape that opens up into the endless terrain of sea and landscape. There are the Orkney Islands. Looking at the stone, you can see various carvings of people that have been here over the years. Even visitors have been here in the 1890s, as this tomb is revealing its secrets. As with many of these burial chambers, they have various shapes and sizes. And there are 3 passages, very shallow passages that lead off into chambers. Fortunately, because of light today, I'm unable to enter these and to make a film. But as we look at these little entranceways into the past, into this cairn itself, gives you an idea of understanding of the builders' nature and what they thought. 2,500 years BC, a ladder entrance into this burial chamber, which is unusual, and the slabs on top are no longer with us. But corbelling is definitely something that they allowed to happen at this site to gain a little bit of height. As we leave this burial chamber up these stairs, we can see more and more of the stonework, more and more of these lids of the local sandstone. And as we emerge through where the lintels would have been, and we look at this beautiful landscape which opens out, as Colin Renfrew once wrote, this burial chamber would have been for a family group, the community family landscape. 20 individuals would have brought their dead here 4,500 years ago. This is Karl-James Langford reporting in Orkney in April 2014.